Hey guys, this is Deepthi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you how I achieved this peachy summer look because it's a summer and we wanna look good. Yes! So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. So start करते हैं. So first thing I'm gonna use this pore minimization primer from Benefit Cosmetic on my nose and my forehead. So now I'm gonna use this Farsali Care oil as a foundation base, and I already told you this is the best primer I have, and I'm just gonna apply all over my face. And now magic is here. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty foundation. I'm taking on my beauty sponge and just applying all over my face. And guys, this is foundation is like giving a full coverage and my face is looking even, and I can't say enough about this foundation, like the best ever. So I'm applied, and now I'm using LA Girl concealer. I love this concealer. This is like not so expensive and the effect is so good. So I'm just gonna use, and this is the fun part. I love it. So I'm just gonna use. Ding 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 ding. And now using the beauty sponge, I am blending this concealer. Using this sponge is so easy. I feel using brush is tough for me, so I'm using this sponge. Now we're gonna use this Anastasia brow pomade, which is very good to define your brows, and I'm just gonna use a little because my brows are already very thick and they have a shape, so I'm gonna use this. And using this brow gel, I'm defining my brows. Now I'm using Huda Beauty electric eyeshadow palette and using this yellow shade as a summer shade. I'm just blending it slowly from inner corner. Look at that, so pigmented. Now using this orange shade from outer corner, blending it slowly. I choose these two shades as the summer shades. I'm just blending it using this eyeshadow brush. And now I'm using this shimmer pink color from Morphe palette. And now I'm using next counter kit, and using this brown shade I'm gonna counter my face on my cheekbone, so it's gonna give a good shape to your face. And now here at my hairline, and now I'm countering my nose using my fingers. I'm just using this darker shade from this next counter kit. Just draw the lines at the corner of your nose, and just using the brush I'm blending it. So it's gonna just pop out your nose sharp. And now I have this Makeup Revolution highlighter kit, so I'm using like yellow highlighter and just applying on my cheekbones, so it's just gonna like shines through, and on my nose and here my under eyebrows. These are the thing where you have to apply highlighter. And now I'm gonna use this NYX lip liner in shade Deep Cherry. I really love this shade because so pigmented and so pretty. And on top of that, I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Trendsetter lipstick, which is my favorite lipstick, and the color is so beautiful. So I'm using this Huda Beauty lashes in Sasha. It is actually a toughest part for me, and after 2-3 attempts I did it. Now I'm using this NYX blush. I really love this blush because the color is so pretty and it looks good on my cheeks, and yeah, I love it. And now I'm gonna use my makeup using no I'm gonna fix my makeup using this Ulta makeup setting spray. Now we are done. So this is the final look, guys. So basically I have just changed my outfit and tied my hair, and my dress is from American Eagle. So yeah, so this is the final look of this peachy summer look, and I really love it, and I'm really hoping so you guys will love it. And if you like it, please share your feedback in comments. I'm really excited to read your thoughts, so please do share. This is actually my second makeup and I'm not expert and so nervous, but I did it. It took me a long time, but I'm sharing with you and I'm hoping a response from you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching my video. I'm really appreciating your time. Thank you. Bye bye.